definitely getting a lot more restaurants down here that represent all of the cultures around here, so I think that's really cool.
I think it brings us together because like you get to try different cultures, like just by their food, like their ingredients. I think you can get transported to maybe a little bit of where they're from.
I think food brings our community together because it's just something simple that we can all agree that we like.
Anytime that we can get together around food is always a good day.
Tastes good. Who doesn't like food?
It always puts a smile on your face.
Just being open-minded and understanding that people are from different places, and that's fine. And that makes everyone unique, and that makes what living is all about.